Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Notary Educators with Kimmi. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Well, hey guys, I am Kimmi. For those of you who do not know, #1 notary educator, where I make sure you know what to do when you are out there stamping those papers. And I also help you to grow a business. And you have to work with me, but we can get it done. I bring you all the training that I know and help you to grow that business. So, welcome to those who will watch the replay, those who will listen to the podcast. As always, we got to let YouTube do its thing. Lisa, what's up? What's up, Lisa? Lisa, you not working today? No school, no nothing? Thanks for hanging out with me, though. I appreciate it. I am going live here. We got a lot of people out here. Hey, Melissa, let's go back. Good and home. How are you? And welcome to the program. Hey, Karen. Tamala, how's it going? Melissa, how are you? Good to see everybody. Welcome, welcome. On a Saturday night, I'm going to go watch me a couple shows later on. But right now, I'm like, we got to talk about some notary stuff. I got some stuff to talk about. So I'm going to just throw this thumbnail on here right quick. How are you all? What's going on where you are? How's the weather? Y'all doing okay? Anybody still stuck or trapped? We know our poor people out in Cali still suffering. And even locally, I don't know if everybody has their lights and stuff back on, you know. I pray that they do. We didn't really have too much happen this time other than, you know, just being at home. But again, I didn't mind my little break this time. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what happened. Lisa says, just finished earlier. I was off and they needed help and no class. Oh, cool. And Good and Services said, adding pricing in the topic for tonight. You want to talk a little bit about pricing? Is that what you're saying? Melissa says, it's still snow everywhere in Savannah. Been off all week. Oh my God, y'all still got a lot of snow? So we don't have a lot. But we do have some. And Good and Home, aren't you my person in Cali? Because you know we got the whole pricing course in the mentorship program. So let's talk a little bit. Then I got a couple little surprises for you. Well, at least one surprise. I'm trying something out. Just one surprise. So let's get into it. So tonight I'm talking about 5 duties. Oh, check out that pricing course. That's going to answer all your questions. But if you want to ask something here, though, I don't mind. But the pricing course for real is really great. I know it is because I wrote it. All right. But you can see whatever specific question you have right here, okay, while we're live. It might help somebody else. So let's get right into it. So 5 duties of every notary, okay? You may think, Kimmi, why we got to go over that? I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to stamp and sign a paper. Well, it's a little bit more to it than that, and we're going to get into the 5 things that every notary should be doing. And I know for a fact that we all are not doing some of these things, okay? So we're going to get right into it. The first one is verify the identity. And you may say, that's a given, Kim. I know I need to do that. Why are you even saying it? Because a lot of people are not identifying their client, or they're identifying them incorrectly. Okay, you need to check with your state and see if you can take a driver's license on a telephone. It's a lot of that going on. People are trying to give you their ID via telephone. I forgot my ID or I lost it. No. If your state does not accept IDs electronically, you probably should not be doing that, okay? Have I ever did it? Yes, I have, in full transparency, but I look at the whole situation. So sometimes you can learn to read the room because you don't know. I've been in banking. I have a big background and that kind of stuff. So I know a lot about a lot of stuff. But for the average person, you don't know if it's fraudulent. So you want to make sure that you are actually identifying your client, okay? Making sure the person that's signing that document is who they say they are. Because sometimes people will put on extra clothes and try to hide who they are and sign on behalf of someone else. It's some crazy stuff happening out there, you know? So you really want to make sure you take time to identify your client with current ID. Now, if your state says you can use expired, go for it, okay? Now, I'm going to stop here and I'm going to tell you something, and then I'll tell you again. I'm running a special today, and I think it's something I'm going to be implementing. I was watching Shark Tank the other day, and it's something that I learned. I think I said, I'm going to try that. So this is it. Listen, because it's only 5. I am giving away 5 Notarize Like a Pro, where you learn how to do acknowledgments, direct, administer an oath, which I'm getting ready to talk about in a moment. But it's only 5 specials today. 5. They are on sale for $29.99 for the first 5 people, and that's it. Seriously. The coupon code is going to be LIVE, L-I-V-E. L-I-V-E. $29.99. So if you need to take a second and go read the description over at notaryeducatorsllc.com, go over there and read it. Okay? So it's only 5 specials. Now, if you don't buy it right now, it's okay. If you catch this live later, you're listening to the replay, and you can catch it for $29.99, you've been blessed. I will leave the coupon code there. It's only good for 5 people to have it. And that is the online course. It is included in the mentorship. So because some people say, well, Kimmi, I don't want to be in mentorship. And I've heard you. And that's okay. The majority want to be in mentorship. There are a few of you that rather own the course and just take your time and do whatever you want to do. And that's fine too. So for 5 people, only 5, I'm writing it down. 5 people, $29.99, Notarize Like a Pro is on sale today. And after those 5 are gone, please do not email me, because the computer already knows which 5 people will be able to get it. And you own that course. Okay, you own it. It is, again, part of mentorship, but some people just, want the course, and I understand that. So for 5 people today, it's only $29.99. I'll come back and say it again later. Coupon code is LIVE, L-I-V-E, and that's over at notaryeducatorsllc.com. Now let's get back to our 5 notarial duties. We'll say hi to a couple more people. Let's see. Hey, the Anthony Brown Show. What's up? What's up? Yeah, you are late. That's okay. This was not scheduled. The next thing I have for you that notarial duties that notaries should be doing, but they are not, is administering oaths. How many of you have never administered an oath as a notary? I have been told, oh, that's old-fashioned. You don't have to do that anymore. Do you even know how to do an oath? Let me know. Are you doing oaths? Raise your hand. Right hand out there with your clients. Are you actually doing it? Your paper may say it, your document may say it, but are you actually doing it? The yes or no. 1 for yes, 0 for no. You can be honest here because ain't nobody watching. Are you doing it? Melissa says yes with the hot pink hand. You know I'm loving that. Melissa says yes. She is doing the oaths. Very good. How about everybody else? Are you doing oaths? Melissa says yes, and Donna says yes. Hey, Donna. What's up, Melissa? Very good. We looks like, okay, blessed sister. Are you a notary? And do you know how to do the oath? Like, why aren't you doing oaths? You haven't had any jobs. You're new. So it looks like the majority of you are doing them, but I know for sure that most people are not, because anytime I even go to put my client under oath, they're like, no one's ever did that before. I've never seen that before. What are you doing? So you need to be putting your client under oath. And again, when you put them under oath, it's just simply saying that they're being truthful about the statement that they're signing or the statement that they're making in front of you, okay? And again, if you need more training on that, Notarize Like a Pro will get you straight. And that is 5 of them being sold tonight at $29.99. Coupon code is LIVE, L-I-V-E. Once those 5 are gone, that is it, okay?